Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. Take a look at this. This is a 2019 Chevy Silverado Custom Trail Boss Z71 Crew Cab 4x4. What a title, but what a truck. Look at this gorgeous red Silverado here at Ontario Motor Sales. We are going to take you on a tour of this beast as if you were here with us at the store, so you can get a great look at it from the comfort of your own home. Now, this features the trailering package, the infotainment package, the convenience package, 4x4. It's got the 5.3 liter V8 under the hood, which is incredible. You know that powerful engine's gonna be able to handle anything you want to throw at it. It's all connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And now, because it is the Trail Boss Z71, you can see that the suspension has been lifted. It's got a 2-inch factory lift. We've got the great Rancho shocks, the off-road suspension, the 18-inch black alloy wheels with the all-terrain tires on here as well. Look at the beefed up suspension we've got. Those two shocks are incredible. They're going to handle the work site, the cottage road, whatever you want to throw at it. Z71 badge right up top here. We've also got the auto locking rear differential, a 2-speed transfer case for your 4-wheel drive, skid plates underneath. I mean, it is ready to go. Full crew cab, so that way you can fit all 6 people inside. It does have a bench seat in the front. We've got the side steps here to help the little ones get inside as well if they need it. And then walking down, you can see the back box here. It's a 5'8" box. Trail Boss logo right there, looking sharp. Again, you can see that nice off-road suspension back here as well. As we swing around to the back, we got the side step bumper. Chevy stamped across the back of the tailgate. The custom badge over here. Integrated tow hitch receiver, pardon me. We also have the integrated trailer brake controller as part of that trailering package. Dual exhaust on the back. Dampened tailgate. I love whoever invented the dampened tailgate. Isn't that nice? Just drops down. You don't have to worry about it slamming down on you. We've got the factory applied spray on bed liner. No need to go get Line-X or anything like that. Now, flipping this back up, let's go take a look at all 4 corners. If you are looking to tow, 9,400 pounds is what this Silverado will tow. So, I mean, you're good to go to carry pretty much anything, I would imagine. And now around front, great looking headlights. Love the black grille. The red tow recovery hooks on the front in case you want to be a good human being in the wintertime, help some people out. Z71 badge. Red tow hooks. What a looker. What a looker. I mean, in red too. Oh, it's so sharp. All right, let's go take a look on the inside. Start off with these back seats. So lots of room back here. As you can see, you could fit 3 adults, no problem. All right. Everything looks good back here. Got some floor liners in here as well. We have a flip up seat in case you want a little bit more storage too. You can flip that up, maybe put the dog bed there. Now, up in the front, see the bench seat design. So you've got 3 seats in here. That center armrest does fold down. I'm having a little trouble with it right now, but no big deal. I'm sure it's a quick little fix. And then hopping in. A little bit cut. All right, so take a look around the interior here. Nicely laid out interior, lots of room, lots of storage. You can see the dual glove box design right there. All right, got our cruise control on the wheel over here to our left. We've got our 4x4 selection with that 2-speed transfer case, our trailer towing mode. Then we've got our headlights, our box light as well. And then on the odometer, I don't know if you would have believed this or not, 238,557 kilometers. That's nothing for this nice V8, but you wouldn't have expected that when you first looked at this, would you? No. And did you see the price? I mean, this thing is so well priced. We don't think it's going to be here very long. So after you're done watching this video, please give us a call and get a hold of us so you can be first in line. Now, we've got the infotainment system here with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, onboard Wi-Fi via OnStar if you subscribe to that with that 4G LTE connection. XM satellite radio as well. So if you like your satellite radio, it does have that too. We've got our trailer light check, so you don't have to do the old, someone sitting in the driver's seat, someone out back. That's part of that trailering package. And then our rear view camera with the tow hitch receiver mode. You can see that center line, so that way you can line up and hook up no problem. Our air conditioning, and then we've got our trailer brake controller here, USB ports. Again, we got the nice floor liners as well. It's all here, it's all looking good, and it is ready for you. If you want to be first in line for the Silverado, you can call us or reserve this online. As part of your purchase, we're also going to give you 4 free oil changes, just as a nice way of saying thank you for doing business and picking up this great Silverado from us here at Ontario Motor Sales. So please come and take a look at this red beauty. You're going to fall in love just as much as we have here, and we can't wait to see who gets in the driver's seat. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon at Ontario Motor Sales.